You wake up, everything feels fine. No real pressure, no real urgency. Life is manageable. Life is comfortable. Life is even easy. But deep down, you know something's off. You're not moving forward. And that quiet comfort, it's slowly pulling you backward. You're not lazy. You get things done. Emails, chores, the basics. But the important stuff, the goals that actually matter, they stay untouched. And the worst part is the quiet frustration. You wonder what's wrong with you, why others seem to pull ahead while you feel stuck in neutral. Picture this. Two friends start the year with the same ambitions. Friend A keeps life easy, same routines, same comforts, same scrolling breaks. Friend B adds one tiny, uncomfortable thing each day, a focused 15-minute work sprint, one message they've been avoiding, walking instead of driving. 6 months later, Friend A feels exactly the same. Friend B is sharper. Friend B is calmer. Friend B is noticeably ahead. The only difference was small daily friction. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain is like a muscle. When life has no resistance, that muscle gets weaker. Focus weakens, willpower shrinks, the ability to handle hard things fades. Modern life removed almost all friction. Food arrives in minutes. Entertainment is endless. Phones answer every question instantly. That ease feels good, but it's quietly atrophying your capacity. 2-minute action today. Pick one small task you've been avoiding. Do it right now, no preparation. Daily micro habit. Each morning, write down one slightly uncomfortable task for the day. Environment tweak. Turn off all phone notifications for the first hour after waking. Most people think the answer is find more motivation. That's where they get it wrong. Motivation is a spark. It works for a day or two. But when your environment has zero friction, the spark dies fast. You don't need more hype. You need small resistance built into your day. Without it, your brain stays in low power mode, and low power mode feels safe until you realize years have passed. 2-minute action today. Replace one easy habit with a slightly harder version. Before opening any app, do 10 push-ups or 10 deep breaths. Environment tweak. Move your phone charger to another room. Now pay attention. This is the twist most people miss. What you think is the problem isn't the problem. You think you're lazy or undisciplined. You're not. Your life is too easy. Your brain has been trained to coast, and coasting feels normal until you look up and see how far behind you've fallen. The hidden enemy isn't you. It's the absence of friction. This one change flips everything. Start adding tiny challenges every single day. Not huge overhauls, just small moments of discomfort. Your focus muscle starts growing again. Your tolerance for hard things expands. Confidence builds quietly in the background. Psychology backs this. Deliberate discomfort triggers adaptation. Your brain rewires for higher capacity. 2-minute action today. Take a 30-second cold shower. Daily micro habit. Once per day, do the next task before allowing any scrolling. Environment tweak. Set your phone to grayscale mode for 2 hours. Here's why this works so well. Small daily friction compounds. Week 1, you feel slightly more alert. Week 4, focus sessions last longer without forcing it. Month 3, tasks that used to scare you feel manageable. You don't notice the growth day to day, but the gap between who you are and who you're becoming starts closing. And the best part? It doesn't require heroic discipline, just consistent, tiny resistance. 2-minute action today. Walk or bike somewhere you'd normally drive. Daily micro habit. End your workday by planning tomorrow's one uncomfortable task. Environment tweak. Keep a notebook and pen on your desk instead of opening tabs. Over time, something deeper happens. You stop fearing hard things. You start seeking them out. Your standards rise quietly. You handle setbacks better. Opportunities that used to intimidate you now feel possible, all because you stopped letting life stay perfectly easy. 2-minute action today.
Message or call someone you've been meaning to reconnect with. Daily micro habit. Once per day, pause and ask, what's the slightly harder choice here? Then take it. Environment tweak. Remove one comfort app from your phone's home screen. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You've just been living in a world designed to keep you comfortable. And right now, your progress isn't gone. It's paused. All it takes is one small, uncomfortable step to hit play again. The real reason you're falling behind isn't lack of effort. It's too much ease. Add small, daily friction. Tiny moments of discomfort, consistent micro-challenges. That's what rebuilds your strength, your focus, your momentum. Your life doesn't need a complete overhaul. It just needs a little deliberate resistance. If this made something click for you, hit like, so it reaches someone else stuck in comfort. And if you want more calm, practical ways to build real strength without burnout, subscribe. Here, we add small friction to create big momentum.